Alright friends, we're going to draw a mushroom.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yeah!
We're using our Art for Kids Hub markers to draw and color with, so we're also using our marker paper to draw on. And this is a lot of fun. It also helps our markers last longer. Now, you don't have to use all these same supplies. You could use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could use colored pencils or even crayons. First, we're going to start by drawing the bottom of our mushroom, and we're going to draw the letter U, but we're going to draw it flat at the bottom. So first, we're going to come down, then we're going to come across where it's flat, and then we're going to come back up. So we got this letter U, but see how it's flat down here? This is where it's connected to the ground. Yes. And up. Oh, that's awesome. Now we're going to draw the top of our mushroom. And this is going to be a little tricky, but let's first connect right here. Yes, this is the tricky part, but I bet you can do it. We're going to extend past this, and we're going to come out, and then we're going to curve back in. Kind of looks like a sideways U shape. Yes, and then connect back in. And then we're going to do that same shape, but over here, going this way. And I'm going to come out this way, around, and then back in. Yes, now let's draw the very top of our mushroom. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw, it comes up like this. Kind of looks like a rainbow line, but also kind of like a triangle shape. So we could start here, come up, almost like we're coming to a point, but we don't want a sharp point. Yes, and then down, and then connected. Good job. And then, oh, we could also add, let's add a little line that comes like this. Yes, and we can even add more that come up. That's the inside. It's kind of the gross part of the mushroom. I'm going to draw these same texture lines over here on the side too. We did it. We finished our mushroom, but it's not very funny. What are we missing?
A funny face.
Funny face. Let's draw a funny face. Now you could change your funny face any way you want. I'm going to draw it like this, a little smile. And you could change the mouth if you want. Oh, that one's cute. I'm going to draw a circle over here for the eyes. And also I'm going to draw a small circle inside for the highlight. And then color it in. Oh, and maybe I'll open the mouth up like that. Oh, and we could also add a little tongue inside. I like yours so much. And we did it. We finished drawing our mushrooms. They look really cute, except we're not completely done.
You still need to color it.
Yeah, we still need to color it. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah!
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing our little cute mushrooms, and I always love yours. It's my favorite.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now, I added a lot more extra things, but it's okay if you don't, and keep it simple, just like yours.
You can also color it differently.
Yeah, you can. You can color it any way you want. And I added all these falling leaves, and even added grass on the bottom. You could even add more of a background, and even a lot more mushrooms. If you have our same Art for Kids Hub markers, we used 15 red for the top, and we left little white spots. Then we used 26, it's a light yellow for the bottom of our mushroom, and you used a pink colored pencil for the cheeks. And what color did I use for the grass?
59 green.
Yeah.
We hope you have fun drawing a mushroom with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.